Alright, some of the books and manuals from the Robert collection as I sort this out. Got all types from programming reference to hardware to the original system manuals, even with discs. The Microsoft Multiplan in its little 3-ring binder. Compute's first book for the Commodore 64, that's one a lot of people seem to have. TimeWorks has a series from the Partner, WordWriter, Data Manager, and SwiftCalc. CP/M book for the 128. Even a kid's book for the Commodore 64. Miscellaneous manuals, and of course a 3-ring binder that has something we're all very familiar with from back in the 80s.